only 41% of the American population believes that global warming is something we need to worry about now and will affect us in the future. That's kind of crazy to think about. Today I'm going to persuade the other 59% that that is just not true and that we need to step up and make a change. I'm going to talk about how it's affecting us now, how it will affect us in the future, and just one or two ways we can just try and help. The NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, reported that 2019 was the hottest year on record. It was 1.71, almost 2 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than every year previous. That is insane. Now, we may not think, oh, it's just 2 degrees. Yeah, it is just 2 degrees. That 2 degrees is causing extended droughts. I mean, a catastrophic event that we've all seen is California. All of these houses burning to crisp, people losing everything, losing their homes because of drought and wildfires in California. This has never happened before. I mean, it's happening because of global warming. It's going to affect us in the future as well. With the same things, drought, wildfires, but you may see more severe storms. Deserts will start to spread as the earth continues to heat up. Ocean levels will rise. These are all things that could potentially happen if we don't try and get this under control. A few ways that we can try to get it under control or just try and help is recycling. I know we've been talking about recycling for years. I think when I was in elementary school, recycling was like really big. They really started pushing recycling. And it's not something that we should give up on. You should still recycle. Electric cars are a great way to cut back on CO2 emissions, which has a big effect on the atmosphere and global warming. Europe has said they plan to cut down their CO2 emissions with electric cars. 60% of their CO2 emissions are from electric cars. They plan to cut that down by 40% by having people switch to electric. So next time you're going and you buy a Coke and you have a can or a bottle, find a recycling bin. Find an old bin to put in your house to recycle. Try and find more eco-friendly cars. I mean, we live in Texas and I know a lot of people like their trucks. More power to you, but next time you go to find a car, just think about maybe looking at an electric car. Many of manufacturers are starting to make cheaper electric cars for everyone to get. I've gone over today with you how it's affecting us now, how it can potentially affect us, and a few things that we can do to try to prevent it. And I really want you to think on this and really just think about your future, your children's future, and just think what you can try and do in the little ways to just help. Goodbye.